I'm Dr. Prabha Choksey. I from Kenya. I have been feeding birds in my garden for over 20 years now. For me, bird feeding is more like a prayer, and observing them eat is like a form of meditation. I prepare the bird food with mixing yellow millet, green millet, mixed wild bird food. Then also from my kitchen, I add some grain for each of my family member. Like if I have put rice for myself, I will put green moong for one of my children, or maybe chana dal for somebody else, and so I mix them. So when I'm actually feeding the birds, I'm also praying that my children who are most of all of them, my children and grandchildren who are in the USA, that the universe looks after them there. I started feeding the bigger birds from 2015 when my father-in-law, Dr. N.J. Choksey, who was a colonel in the Indian Army, he died at the age of 98. It was his routine to have toast in the morning, and in Indian culture it is said that if after death, when they are giving the pindan, when the crows come to eat, it is like the ancestors coming back. From that time, I started putting toast broken into small pieces for the big birds to eat, and I'm surprised how ibis, crows, even sometimes eagles and small birds come to feed on that. So bird watching is actually a prayer to the universe, and in a form, it's a meditation for me to just observe what is really happening in this little garden of mine. And I have really discovered a lot of secrets